But now it's called Central School. You see it, Central School?
Yeah.
Founded in what? What is that?
Founded in 1948.
Is that 1948?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Founded in 1948. Okay. We need. First time in our. This is in. Just replaster the front school. 19. Yeah. Always. So we decided to keep it that way.
Uncle, what did you say? Okwandu means what again? The gospel.
The gospel of life, or the notice, the announcement of life, gospel of life, whichever way you want to put it. It's all about Okwa. Ndo means life, right?
Yeah.
Okwa means announcement, proclamation of life.
Right, and that's the family's last name.
That's the family's last name.